In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcodes. We are going to start with the dkpdf button that allows us to add the button in the content manually. And to do so, we have to go to any post or page content, and then we can add, for example, here as a shortcode. We add the shortcode and then click Save. We now see the button here, but we also see the default button. To disable this default button, go to the plugin settings and then use here in the position, in the PDF button tab, position, use shortcode. This will disable the default PDF button. Okay. So now if we reload the page, we see only the button that we have just included. dkpdf-columns shortcode allows us to split the content in columns, okay? And basically we have to grab our content with this open and closing tag shortcode, okay? So let's give it a try. So go to the any post, okay? In this case, we are going to split this, as an example, into columns. So first of all, add the shortcode and then place the shortcode. We are going to basically copy and paste the content here inside this the shortcode. And then for the parameters, we can go to the documentation here, and we can use basically just copy paste what we have here. So, and put it here. Okay. So now save. If we reload the page, we see nothing here. Well, obviously we see the new paragraph here, but we don't see any columns. But if we now generate the PDF, we see here that this new content is now split into columns, okay? dkpdf-pagebreak allows us to add page breaks whenever we want into the content, and basically it will push the next content to the next page. So let's give it a try. So for example, if we want to put this content to the next page, we can just add a page break here, okay? So add the shortcode and then insert the shortcode here, okay? Save. Let's see that it's basically $@ donec. This is the paragraph that should be in the page, but the next paragraph, et sapien fausibus, is going to be in the next page, okay? Let's give it a try. We save it. So here we see nothing. So we basically are going to see in between these two paragraphs, okay? So now if we generate the PDF, okay, we see now that the page break basically pushed this next content, to the next page, okay? So yeah, dkpdf-remove shortcode allows us to hide content in the PDF. And what we have to do is wrap the content we want to hide in this with this shortcode, okay? So let's give it a try. Let's see that we want to hide this line, this text on the PDF. So the first thing we have to do is add the shortcode. Then put this text inside the shortcode. And finally, close the shortcode. Okay. Okay, now we have this text wrapped with the shortcode. And if we check the front end, we see that nothing changes here. However, if we generate the PDF now, we see that this text is not here anymore. Okay. This shortcode also allows us to hide other shortcodes, okay? And the way to do is basically using the shortcode name. Here is basically the tag, but this is the name of the shortcode that we want to hide. Okay, this is mandatory to add here the name of the shortcode in the tag in order to hide shortcodes. Okay,